Hi everyone, this is Berta Corta YT, and today we're going to talk about variations. These are examples of variations. Look, as you can see that in every examples, you can see a K, letter K. Letter K there is a constant. In variations, there are 4 types. The first is direct variation. Oops. Example of it is if y varies directly as x, and that's the equation of it. And if s varies directly to v, mo na ang iyang basta iyang equation. If r varies directly as d, mao na ang iyang kuan. E varies directly as s, mao na. Next one, inverse variation. In inverse direction, di ba, indirect variation ato gi times, and isa ra siya ka given like ang x. In inverse, isa ra gihapon pero we divide it. Ani y varies inversely as e, so y is equals to k over e. V varies inversely as d, v is equals to k over d. A varies there inversely as O, so A is equals to K over O. Next is joint variation. Joint variation is when 2 or more variables are used, and joint variation is g times. Parehas siya sa direct, pero ang joint is 2 or more. Parehas ani o. E varies jointly as M and C. C varies jointly as R and X. O, okay. O varies jointly as A and Y. Basta ang K small letter K is constant. The last is combined variation. In combined variation, it's either times tama ba? Wait. Alagi. In combined variation, ma times and ma divide. Ang kuan ani is V varies directly as D and inversely as C. Ang iyang direct is ang D, yang iyang inverse is ang C. Difference between the 4 variations. Direct variation has one variable next to the constant, which is the k. Inverse variation is constant over the given variable, k over the variable. Joint variation is multiple variable next to the constant, di ba? Para sa direct variation. Combined variation is can have variable next to constant and with denominator. Pwede siya ma-times and divide. Okay. Kani is kang credits tuod kang Jesse James Abaw. Iyahang PPT ni ako lang i-explain ingon niya. Transforming words into equation. Parehas ani, the price of manok refers directly to the quantity that you bought. Oh, pila man ang kuan, di ba? P is equals to ang constant nga K nya unsay gigamit directly. Ang gigamit is directly, so times P is equals to K Q. Maghatag pa ba ko kuan examples? Okay, may baliktad na ako, bahala mo kaya lang. If M varies M varies directly as I, T, and A. Mao na ang word niya ato i-change to equation. M unsa man ang kuan, di ba? M ang iyang murag something like subject. M varies directly, so times directly man times. Butang na to ang first, ang K. Don't forget ang K ha. K ang dapat mabutang una, except sa na ay number, whole number nya as I T A. Halo, coincidence ay top na. Next ay kani mas lisod. B varies, ay mali spelling, basta varies na, varies directly as X and Y and B varies directly as twice of X and Y, and B varies directly as twice of X and Y, and inversely as the half of Z. Kana B varies directly as twice of X and Y, and inversely as the half of Z. Unsan man na of X. So una na to is B is equals to directly as twice of X and Y man daw, butang kag K nya twice man, so ang 2 kanimo here X and Y nya na pa man inversely, so divide inversely as the half of Z. Agay gay, wow, magic. Mali to guys kanina. M varies directly as square of X, cube of Y, and square of Z, and inversely as the twice of N squared and 4 rise of D. Saan man na. So this ato kuanon is, di ba, unaw na to ng M small letter M directly, so unsa man times, butang na to ang una ang K, don't forget the K, square of X cube of Y and square of Z. Yan napay inverse, unsa man ang inverse, di ba, divide inversely as the twice of N squared. Twice man, pila man ang twice, di ba, duha, twice of N squared and 4 i's of D. Say 4 i's. Basta next